Improve your liver health with the 3R formula. Welcome to your health journey. Today, we're focusing on an essential organ, the liver. It's the body's largest internal organ and plays a crucial role in your overall health. Let's discover the 3R formula to improve its well-being. The 3R formula consists of 3 simple steps: reset, recharge, and rejuvenate. Each step is designed to help cleanse, repair, and boost your liver health. Let's get started with the first step, reset. Resetting your liver is all about detoxification. This means eliminating substances that damage your liver like alcohol, processed foods, and excess sugar. Start by hydrating with water, eating green leafy vegetables, and saying no to alcohol. The second step is to recharge. Nourish your liver with essential nutrients. Include foods rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids like fish, nuts, and berries in your diet. Don't forget to exercise regularly, as it helps to increase blood flow to the liver. Rejuvenation is the final step of the 3R formula. This is where you maintain your newly improved liver health. Continue with the healthy habits from the first 2 steps. Regular checkups are also important to monitor your liver health. Remember, your liver performs over 500 functions. It's responsible for filtering toxins, breaking down fats, and producing essential proteins. So, it's crucial to take care of this hardworking organ to maintain overall health. So what's stopping you? Kickstart your journey towards improved liver health with the 3R formula. Reset, recharge, and rejuvenate. Your body will thank you for taking this step towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, small changes can make a huge difference. The 3R formula isn't about drastic changes, but rather about implementing sustainable, healthy habits. Your liver is a resilient organ and can regenerate itself when given the right care. Imagine waking up each day with more energy, clearer skin, and a healthier body. That's the power of a healthy liver. The 3R formula is your blueprint to achieve this. It's time to give your liver the care it deserves. In conclusion, the health of your liver has a direct effect on how you feel. Don't neglect it. Embrace the 3R formula, reset your liver by eliminating toxins, recharge it with essential nutrients, and rejuvenate it by maintaining these healthy habits. Your journey to a healthier liver starts today. With the 3R formula, you can improve your liver health and, ultimately, your overall well-being. Remember, health is wealth, and a healthy liver is a treasure worth investing in. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this information will guide you on your health journey. Stay tuned for more health tips. Remember, the first step towards change is awareness. Let's keep our livers healthy and happy with the 3R formula. Let's end this with a reminder: your health is in your hands. The choice to live a healthier life is yours. Choose wisely, for in health, you find your wealth. See you next time on our health journey. Stay healthy, stay happy.